Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. I'm Alex and I am in Imswan, Morocco, and this is the place. And come and visit. So let's look at the problem now. We have problem 735, asteroid collision. So what about it? We are given an array asteroids of integers representing asteroids in a row. For each asteroid, the absolute value represents its size. The sign represents its direction, positive meaning right, negative meaning left. Each asteroid moves at the same speed. Find out the state of the asteroids after all collisions. If two asteroids meet, the smaller one will explode. If both are the same size, both will explode. Two asteroids moving in the same direction will never meet. Okay. Are they moving in the array? So 10 and minus 5 meet. 8 and 8 meet. 2 and minus 5 meet. Minus 5 survives. Then 10 collides with minus 5. Yeah, okay, got it. Oh, this is a cool one, I guess. So I think that we need to iterate over the array until we find the negative and the positive that are together, like one next to the other. So we can just do for index in range length of asteroids minus 1, and we just say, well, asteroid left equals asteroids index, and asteroid right equals asteroids index plus 1, which will never be out of bounds because I did this minus 1 here. So now we just say, hey, if we multiply both of them and it's negative, well, we can say that. We just need to say if one is negative and the other is positive. So one way is multiplying both and check if it's negative. So if asteroid left times asteroid right is smaller than 0, means one of them is negative, we need to check which one is bigger than the other in the absolute values. So if absolute asteroid left is bigger, actually if equal than absolute asteroid right, no, let's left is destroyed, false, right is destroyed, false. And if it's smaller or equal, if the left one is smaller, then left gets destroyed. If it's equal, it also gets destroyed. So left is destroyed, true. And then another if, not an elif, if, because both them can get destroyed. So right is destroyed. So now we need to say that either we remove both of them or we keep one. So no, I'm making this too complex. No, I'm gonna do it some other way. So surviving asteroids, it's gonna be an empty thing. So if the asteroid to the left is bigger, then it survives. So I'm just going to, well, surviving asteroid is going to be asteroid left. If the right one is bigger than the left, I didn't even spell that correctly. Surviving asteroid is asteroid right. So I guess now we can just update asteroids to be equals asteroids all the way up to the index plus surviving asteroids plus asteroids of the index plus 2 onward, and then break. And we should surround everything with a while true, or we can just go while asteroids. Doesn't matter, because for index and range asteroids, if there's a modification doing, I want to break it. So modified equals false. I'll just put modified equals true, then breaks, and then if modified equals is false, then break. So if it didn't modify, then it means that everything is good. So return asteroids, submit. Now let's see. Oh wait, asteroid right. Surviving asteroid is not defined. Oh yeah, right. Is it not defined? Surviving asteroids. Actually no, surviving asteroid. Either one or nothing survive. But it should be plural because it's a list. Okay, wrong answer. Oh, right. Because I only care for this if the left one is positive and the next one, the right one, is negative. So that's the only way that they go to the same direction. Yeah, that was stupid, Alex. You're a stupid guy. So if after asteroid left is bigger than 0 and asteroid right is smaller than 0, yeah. Okay, it worked. So actually the runtime is not so good, like not so good, memory not so good, but hey, I'm in IMSU1 and I'm enjoying surfing, and I'm just gonna take it as it is. Oh, memory just got a lot better. How would I improve this? Well, maybe I don't need to, I don't need to be, okay, I'm not going to give up now. So let me see what I can do. So I'm doing while asteroids. I can do this just with one iteration. So what I can do, let's start with index 0. Index equals 0. So while index is smaller than length of asteroids minus 1, and we can just go and iterate all the way to the end. I'm too lazy for this now, but pretty much I wouldn't do a for index. a for loop, and I would just update the index accordingly. Either I keep it the same. No, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Otherwise, I'm not setting a good example. So let's see. While index is more than that, modified equals false. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. This. I just need to get this back. Asteroid left is index and an index plus 1. And then at the end, I just need to update. Hey man, I'm doing a video for YouTube.
You what?
Yeah, I'll just explain. I'm doing a video for YouTube right now. So what you do now is you need to update the index according to the length of the surviving asteroids. So length of surviving asteroid. I think that will just solve everything.
Nice place.
It is a great place, man. Well, time limit exceeded on the first one. I need to look better into this, but guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.